If you could go anywhere in the world, where would you go and why? I ask this question because I'm going to talk to you today about Turkey and some of the temples you could see, the wonderful views, as well as some of the ancient structures that are still around today. Now, I know you're thinking it's just a sandbox, and trust me, I've been to the Middle East more times than I'd like to remember. But some of the most wonderful views are there as well. So, moving on as quickly as we can. The first temple I'd like to talk about is the Blue Mosque. It got its name because, like this bowl, it has wonderful shades of blue all over, and so it's still in use today. And it's just a wonderful sight. It's one of the largest tourist attractions there. Another one is the Hagia Sophia. Now, first it was a church, later turned to a mosque, and is now a museum. Now, this is relevant because according to Toropia's website, it is for 1,000 years the largest enclosed space in the world. This building is massive, but these aren't the only wonderful sights you could see if you went to Turkey. The Pamukkale is like a natural hot spring, and it's famous for its white bowl shaped stones that encompass the hot spring in a bowl shape. Obviously, the white stones surround it like miniature pools for your hot spring. Now, the Patara Beach, according to Toropia's website as well, this 9 mile long stretch, is the longest beach on the Mediterranean. And this is important because, according to Wikipedia, sea turtles are coming onto the beach to lay eggs, which has made this beach become protected because of the endangerment of sea turtles as a whole. Now, these wonderful sites have been there for a long time, just like the people that inhabit the land. Some of the ancient structures are the Aspendos Theater. Now, this theater is still in use today, and it's one of the most well preserved theaters of the ancient era. There's also the Bodrum Castle, which was built during medieval times during the Crusades, and is still in use today as a museum. Now, as I bring this to a close, I hope you learn more about some of the sights of Turkey. I would like to thank you for letting me explain about the Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia, as well as some of the sights that you may see if you go to Turkey, and some of the ancient structures there as well. Now, if there are this many wonderful sights in Turkey, imagine how many there are in whatever country you want to go to. But just remember, adventure is out there.